Good morning guys, this is Ian from Ian Enjoy Travel, and today day 2 ng diet natin. And first meal natin 2 eggs, tapos may mga gulay-gulay. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. And 2 jumbo egg, tapos lalagyan na natin ganyan. Hindi ko na binibilang yung calories guys, basta kumakain lang ako. Okay, subukan natin i-hit ang ating steps na 15,000 steps. Okay. Kanina nag-coffee tayo, black lang, walang sugar. Pag black coffee, 0 calories yan guys. Hello guys, it's 11:30. Katatapos lang ng work natin. Kakauwi ko lang sa bahay. Second meal naman tayo ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung second meal ko. Ito yung second meal natin. Rice, chicken, tas meron tayong tilapia. Konting sausawan guys. Hindi muna tayo gano'ng magsasalad ngayon. Siguro mamaya third meal. Guys, kakabalik lang natin galing work. Gabi na, mga 7:30 na. And kakain na tayo ng ating third meal and last for the day. Ito ang ating third meal.
Yes, looking forward to catching up, buddy.
Kain tayo guys. Update 3.7 pa lang.
Long time no see.
Fail tayo today.